Dear student, welcome back to our online class on behalf of Halishore Cantonment Public School and College. I'm your Bilal sir from Halishore Cantonment Public School and College. Today we'll discuss Unit 6 Lesson 2. Look at the flags and think about the flags of which country are they going to be belonged. Okay, this picture, this very familiar. Try to match these flags with the countries. So this is the flag of Bhutan, this is the flag of Sri Lanka, this is the flag of India, this is the flag of Maldives, and this is the flag of Nepal, and this is the flag of Pakistan. They are neighboring countries. Neighboring countries means, you know what do you mean by neighbor? Neighbor means the countries which are we are surrounded by which countries? They are our neighboring countries. Uh, Look at the following picture and guess who they are and what their names. Look here, they are very famous. They are very famous. Okay, in cricket. I hope that all of you know their name and fame. Mahela Jayawardene, Murali Dharan, Kumar Sangakkara. They all are Sri Lankan cricketers. So today we'll read about our neighbors Sri Lanka. Learning outcomes, that means what we are going to learn after reading Unit 6, Lesson 2. After completing this lesson, students will be able to read, comprehend, and summarize text. They can ask and answer questions, and they can write paragraph about some interesting places of a country. Look at the picture and discuss and think what you say when you meet any new person come to you. Usually we say welcome. Do you know what do Sri Lankan people say at this situation? Sri Lankan people say Obua. Obua means may you have the gift of long life. May you have the gift of long life. Obua, putting the hand together, they greet you like this. You will read the text in your book attentively, then try to answer the question given in the section A in your text. Now we'll discuss some keywords. First one is teardrop. The nickname of Sri Lanka is teardrop of India. We use the teardrop word in a sentence. Now go for the meaning. A drop of water that comes from eye in sorrow. When you cry, there is a drop of water in your eye. This is called teardrop. Next keyword is the fall. Okay, we use this word in the sentence. Can you make sentence with the word fall? Yes, we can. Princess Diana used to wear gown made of fall. So what is the meaning? We go for the meaning of fall. Pearl is a hard object that grows in a shell. You know, most of the time it is grows in a shell, okay, in the pond or in the river. Next, spicy. You can guess the meaning of the word seeing the picture, we can make a sentence. Spices make our curry delicious. Okay, all of you know spices are added to make your food delicious. What is the meaning? Spice is a dried seed, fruit, root, or bud. Okay, these are dried. This is the fruit. It is also fruit, but it is the bark. What is the nickname of Sri Lanka? We already told you. Teardrop of India, set in the fall of the Indian Ocean. It is the teardrop of India. Land area of the Sri Lanka. Okay, Sri Lanka measures about 415 kilometers from north to south. North to south, it is 415 kilometers, and 220 kilometers from east to west, and total land area about 65,600 square kilometers. So from north to south, it is 415 kilometers, and from east to west it is 220 kilometers, and total land area is about 65,600 square kilometers. This is the information about the land area of Sri Lanka. What do you know about the Sri Lankan population? You think 1 or 2 minutes? There are about 20 million people in Sri Lanka. 20 million people in Sri Lanka. Look here, there are a picture of ethnic group in Sri Lanka. Can you guess the name of them? Sri Lankan Moors are Muslim. They are the Moors, ethnic people Moors. They are the Muslim. And Sinhalese, then Sri Lankan Tamil and Indian Tamil. So five types of ethnic group in Sri Lanka. Here you have seen the 4 types. Look at the picture and guess who are they? They are 5th ethnic group named Beda, original inhabitants of Sri Lanka. Bedas. They are originally from Sri Lanka. Now try to learn about the economy of Sri Lanka. Look at the picture. Okay, actually Sri Lanka's economy are based on this picture. You guess these are the spices, this is the coconut, this is the rubber, and this is the tea. Okay, so the economy of the Sri Lanka are based on this. You again read your text carefully and answer the question that has given section C and D in your text. Look here, Sri Lanka is called the teardrop of India because it is situated in Indian Ocean and is shaped like teardrop. Look here, it is shaped like teardrop. So as it is situated in the Indian Ocean and is shaped look like the teardrop, that is why it is called teardrop of India. So fill in each gap with a suitable word of your own based on the information from the text. If you go to visit Sri Lanka, you will be dashed with a traditional greeting, Ovan. Sri Lanka is an island country where it is situated in the Indian Ocean. It's shaped like a dash. It is medium in size and population. Among all the ethnic groups, the Vedas are the dash inhabitants of island. The ancient history of this land is dash. In Ramayana, this island-like country attracted many travelers as well as the ancient mariners, and it still does the tourist of modern age by its inner mouths. Look here, actually which pictures I have shown already you, and which word we have discussed. That will help you to fill in each gap of this passage. So now we go for the solution. Welcome. If you go to visit Sri Lanka, you will be welcomed with the traditional greeting of one passive. Next one. Okay. Its shape is like a teardrop. We already discussed that one. C. It is medium in size and population among all the ethnic group. The Bedas are the original. We already told that one. The ancient history of this land is presented in Ramayana. And the E, it still attacks the tourist. There is a full stop, but it is a mistake. There will be no full stop. So the evaluation. Now you answer the question by yourself. Where is Sri Lanka situated? You know where Sri Lanka is situated. It is situated in Indian Ocean. What is the meaning of one have a long life? Which country is the world largest tea exporter? Okay, how many major ethnic group in Sri Lanka? You know all of this. Homework. Write a paragraph about the agriculture of Sri Lanka. This is your SW. Thank you very much for staying with us for the class. Take your text, read the text, try to answer all the questions in the text, and matching today's class. Wait for the next class. Until then, Allah Hafiz.